We were updating smart boards that were over 10 to 15 years old, and so the next level we wanted it to be right for each classroom. We have learned in our time dealing with these students is that the more you can expose them to quality content, quality resources, and quality material, the better performance that you're going to get from those students. We want to give them the same thing that we get from any other school located anywhere else in the United States or the world. And so our goal is to create an environment where that is available for them. And the Newline panels gave us a chance to move closer to that dream. Some of the things that we have in place already prior to the panels was each classroom we have one-to-one devices with Chromebooks. One of the things we were looking at from the Newline panel is this. One was to be able to cast students' work to the screen, and also we were looking at the opportunity to give our teachers a chance to record lessons and send those lessons out to parents or students who are sick or they're absent, but also be able to create a video library of lessons that will help students in the long term and to be able to come back and use. Having students have the ability to solve problems on the board, it can be used as a small group center. Those are some of the things that we're looking to take advantage of, having those in our classrooms. We reviewed and vetted several different panels before we got to the Newline panel. And one of the ideas was this: we wanted a panel that would fit our specific needs. There are a lot of great panels out there, but we wanted something specific for our classrooms and for our teachers, and most importantly for our students. Harper is a Title I school, and we have about 370 kids. We're located in a low poverty section of town. We're surrounded by housing projects. This is my third year here at Harper, and one of the goals that I've had for the school is to try to increase the amount of technology that we have available for our students and our teachers. The Newline panel benefit both teachers and students, and it's just another step in the progression of making us a better school. My name's Melvin Huggins, and I am the principal of Harper Elementary.